If Lightroom is frozen and you need to close it fast on Windows, this guide will show you the quickest way to force quit it safely. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips. First, if Lightroom is still responding, try the easiest method. Click the Lightroom window so it's active, then press Alt plus F4 on your keyboard. This is the fastest normal way to close an app on Windows. If Lightroom closes, you're done. But if Lightroom is completely frozen and Alt plus F4 does not work, use Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S together to open Task Manager instantly. If a smaller window appears, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps. Now look for Adobe Lightroom in the Processes list. You can also check the Apps section depending on your version of Windows. Once you find it, click on Adobe Lightroom to highlight it, then choose End Task in the bottom corner. This force closes Lightroom right away. If Lightroom still seems stuck for a moment, wait a few seconds while Windows shuts it down. In most cases, the app will close immediately and you can reopen it normally. Now, one important thing to know, Lightroom usually auto-saves many changes, but if you were in the middle of an edit, there is still always a small risk with any forced close, so only force quit when the program is frozen, not when it's working normally. If this keeps happening, there are a few quick fixes you should try next. Restart your PC to clear temporary memory issues, update Lightroom to the latest version because bugs often get fixed in updates, and check your RAM usage because Lightroom can freeze if your system is running low on memory. So to recap, the fastest method is Alt plus F4 if Lightroom still responds. If it is fully frozen, use Ctrl plus Shift plus S, find Adobe Lightroom and Task Manager, and click End Task. That's the quickest way to force quit Lightroom Desktop on Windows. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.